all, it's me, and today we're doing an unboxing and whatever else you can do with the Pixel stand, which is kinda old at this point. It was made for the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, but as you can see from the side art there, and then on the back it says fast wireless charger that unlocks personalized experience powered by the Google Assistant on your Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. So yeah, I have a Pixel 5 though. It should work just the same. Anyways, let's get straight into unboxing this thing. So, here it is, the Pixel stand. Hopefully you can hear me just fine. I don't even know which one of my many Swiss Army knives I grabbed. We're just gonna unbox it. As long as we can get just a sliver of plastic. There we go. Now let's see how this opens. Ooh, it opens like this. Well, that's interesting. So here it is. Wow, this is actually cool. I like this. So first we might notice it looks like a flat beam. It's got this little edges right here to grip onto your phone. Let's just peel off this plastic. And there's some more on the bottom. That's peeled off. That's like rubber right there, kind of like on the bottom of Nest Minis. And your cable just goes through there, it clips into that, and the USB-C port is all the way in there. Let's see what else is in the box here. Of course, the instructions and an 18-watt power adapter. Peel the plastic off of that. And then a USB-C to USB-C cable. I've got plenty of these. So that was all that was in the box. I guess the reason it's so tall is because they wanted oh wait, what's in it? Wait, what's actually in here? It's just these pamphlets, of course. I thought there was like a card or something, I don't know why. I guess it's so tall because they doing fancy presentation. Well, anyways, let's just close that back up. Yeah, so here it is. I guess let's just switch to recording with the Pixel 3 so I can test it with my Pixel 5. And then see how this thing is. Alright, see ya there. So anyways, with me out of frame, hello there. Here is the Pixel stand. Its cord is plugged in like that. It looks nice. It's just kind of stretching out from it. I'll just zoom in on that. Yeah, there it is. Here's my Pixel 5. It's at 23%. It needs some charging. Shove it on here. Alright, cool. That is wireless charging, alright. What are you supposed to do? I'm confused. Aren't you supposed to, like, do things? And it's not even fast wireless charging? What the heck? Hello? Pixel stand setup. Okay, I got it to work. I couldn't show you the setup because I had to look at it, but now that it's on here, there's a Google Assistant button. The Google Assistant pulls up. I think it just... Alright, yep, and so then you can swipe here, and it'll show you some photos. What happens if you swipe this way? I don't know. And it's supposed to like have alarms and stuff, like sunrise alarms. At time. Oh look, there's me holding a Coke can. Yeah, okay, this is interesting. Let's swipe for the photos. There's my doggo. Yeah, okay. I guess it has its own custom lock screen for this. Well, that was all. That was all with this. Alright, well, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.